Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that. Don't forget to click on that all on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I have a Misfits haul for you. I got my box earlier today, so I want to open it up and show you guys what I got this week. I did order a bunch of extra stuff this week, so if you're interested in seeing what I got, then stick around and stay tuned. Let me change my camera around. Okay guys, let's open this box and see what's in here. I'm gonna order a bunch of stuff, and I ordered something to do a gift basket for somebody. Look, they changed packaging again. Still ice frozen. Let me make sure that it's straight up there. Okay. Okay, I ordered some little fingerling potatoes. They put them in a bag this time. And they got a divider in the box. That's different because that's the first time I've seen that. And when they're putting these in a bag instead of giving them to you loose. So, a lot of plastic waste. But, anywho. I got a bunch of cold stuff. I got, some Dino Kale. This is the smallest, shortest little bunch I've had. This looks like what's in my garden. So, I got some Dino Kale. This looks like some rocket lettuce. Organic dandelion. Never had that before, so they gave me that in place of something. I don't know, because I know I didn't order that. I ordered this separately, some more Brussels sprouts, because I love that Brussels sprouts. And you get a quite big amount of them. I ordered these Kate Southampton cookies. These are for me. They're gluten-free ginger cookies. They're not vegan, but they're gluten-free. I got these for somebody else to put in a gift box. Yeah. I got these apple. I thought I ordered a different flavor, but anyway, I ordered apple. But I love applesauce, so these are actually for me. I saw somebody else use these. Oh, I ordered those drinks to try. So this must be on this side. Must be a bunch of stuff that I ordered. That additional. So I ordered 2 of these Sunwink Detox Gingers. I'm not for sure. I've never had them before, but I want to try them since I sweeten with maple syrup, no fake sweeteners. Okay, I'll let you guys know how these are. But I want to do a detox, so I saw these, so I said I'd try them. And I got 2 of them, and I think I got 2 of the exact same flavor, I believe. And I drink ginger kombucha, so I don't know if it's along the line the same as that, but I don't know. But I'll let you guys know. I think it's going to be on the same lines as a kombucha, but we'll see. And I got whole organic mango. These are mango jerkies, and they're organic, and they just have mango. So I wanted to try them. And as a snack, because I'm still not eating sweets for Lent, so, and I have been absolutely craving them. So you get 12 in a pack, and this is what they look like. They look like they'd probably be good. They're flexible, so they're not real hard. So I hope they're good, and they're organic. And let's see. Let's look at the 80 calories for one. Bunch of carbs though, but it's natural carbs from veggies. I mean from fruit. I ordered some jalapenos. I can't wait for mine to start back, mine to grow on my little garden. I like not being able to have to buy those. Although they're not that expensive, but they grew very well. Okay, I got a damaged mango. It's bruised. Probably by that box that was sitting on top of it. But that's okay. I'll still eat it. And on this side, I got some green leaf lettuce. It's nice lettuce. It looks very good. Very good to make wraps out of. I'll cut it up and make a salad. I got, of course, collard greens. Because, you know, I'm always getting collard greens and dino kale. If they have them, I will get them every single week. I got some bok choy. They just sent me one. Yep. So I got one bok choy. It looks good. I got some broccoli. And these look good. Green earth. I order onions because I'm out of onions. And of course, when I'm not out of onions and I order onions, they send me 3 or 4. When I need them, they send me 1. But that's okay. I'm going to the grocery store tomorrow. I just wanted to wait and see what I got first before I went. So I got 1 yellow onion. I got 1 zucchini. And I think this is a cucumber. It looks like a cucumber. Yeah. So 1 zucchini, 1 cucumber, and 2 summer squash. Oh, they're big this week. So, yay. Yay, yay. And then I ordered some leeks because I want to make some potato and leek soup because I love it. It's getting warm, but I still like potato and leek soup. And I like to saute leeks and mushrooms as well. If you haven't tried leeks, they kind of have an oniony taste, like a green onion, but they're very flavorful and they smell very good. So try them. They just have, you have to wash them good because all under there you get a bunch of dirt and stuff. So make sure you cut them and then put them in a colander and rinse them out well before you use them. But they're very, very good, and you can put them in water and they'll keep growing just like your green onions. And you probably can plant them in the garden. Plant this part here, just root it and plant them in your garden if you have a home garden, and start you off some leeks in your garden. Okay, well, that is it for everything that I've ordered and purchased in my box, because I ordered a bunch of additional stuff. As always, I have no idea what I ordered separately and what came as part of my box selection. We will put that up on the screen per usual. I've never eaten dandelion. If anybody's eaten dandelion before, comment below and let me know and tell me how you cook it, because I don't know, it looks like rocket greens, unless dandelion and rocket greens are the same thing. Guess you just put it in a salad. I don't guess you cook this, but I don't know, because I've never had it before. That's why I know I did not order this. So they just threw that in there for me, I guess. Okay, recap. I got 2 of these Detox gingers, some Brussels sprouts, some Takes gluten-free ginger zinger cookies. I would like to try them myself. They're not, I think they got eggs in it or something. Yeah, milk and eggs, but can't eat them. They're for somebody else. Applesauce, mango jerky. We have some bok choy, some collard greens, 2 big old summer squash, a zucchini, and a cucumber, some leeks, a yellow onion, a mango, some Fingerling potatoes, a crown of broccoli. Almost look like purple broccoli because it's a little purple. A mango, some green leafy lettuce, and some dandelions, some dino kale, and some jalapenos. And that is it for my order for the week. So once again, I'll link here my code on the screen. If you use my code, you get 25% off and I get 25% off my next box. So use that code if you like. I'll put the link to the website. You can go out there and check it out and see what types of stuff they offer. Their marketplace is getting bigger and bigger. Every week they have stuff that they didn't have the prior time that I ordered. So they're growing that as well. So yeah, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.